So live your life. You steady chasing that big car, just live your life.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make vegetable sushi. But before we get into this video, you guys, I'm going to need you to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's get into this video, you guys. Alright, you guys, I have some vegetable sushi. I can go ahead and move these decorations because they don't mean nothing now. Alright, so I have some vegetable sushi, you guys, and I made some fried with the tempura batter, and then I made some regular. So I'm about to see what these joints taste like. I got some wasabi sauce right there. I have my soy sauce, and of course, you know you're supposed to mix that. That wasabi sauce, you cannot, not by itself. If you do, you got any type of sinus problems, it's gonna open it up. So I'm gonna put some wasabi sauce in there. Stir it up. I'm always looking outside, y'all. Somebody always walking past the window. So we're going. Of course, you know I have to do the fried one first. So let's see what these joints taste like. Excuse the noise in the background, y'all. I do have this door open because it's kind of hot in here, which I should have turned the AC on, but it's all good. So here is the fried. Here's a fried one. I'm gonna dip it in here and see what this tastes like. And let you see it with the soy sauce and the wasabi sauce. It's gonna be good. All right, you guys, this is what I'm gonna be using to make the vegetable sushi. I have the batter here, cucumber, avocado. I have the sushi rice, the sushi nori. I have sugar, salt, rice vinegar, water, sesame seeds, and carrots, and I have the sushi roll. All right, you guys, first we're going to start off with 1 cup of rice. We're gonna go ahead and dump this in a pot. And we're gonna rinse this off until it becomes clear. Try to get it clear. See how cloudy that is? We want it to try to be clear. I'm using cool water. Continue to do this. It may not get completely clear, but you want to get it close as possible. Now I am going to take a strainer and just pour it in here just like that. Rinse it off. Get the rest of that out of there. So I can rinse that off too, even though I'm going to use the same pot. Alright, you guys, now we're going to cook the rice according to the package. Alright, you guys, while I'm waiting on the water to boil for the rice, I am going to go ahead and cut up the vegetables. I'm going to be cutting the cucumber. Yeah, I don't mind my nails. Hopefully after I finish this video, I can go get them done. I'll get this done for you guys first. So I'm gonna cut them just like that. Isn't it always fun? I need to find some kind of grip everything to go up under there. I'm gonna leave the cucumbers just like that because I don't know how long the nori sheets are. So once I figure that out, then I may have to cut the cucumbers again. But right now I'm gonna cut them just like this. I will cut the avocado last because you know, if you cut the avocado too soon, it turns brown, and I hate that. But I do know a way to save an avocado if you don't use the whole avocado. You could cut it in half and put the other half in some cold water and place it in the refrigerator. As long as you use it within the next day or two, it should be good. So I'm gonna cut some carrots up, you guys, and the water's already boiling for the rice. So let me go ahead and put the rice in there real quick. Cover the lid. The rice takes about 20 minutes. I'm gonna turn it down, turn the heat down, and let that cook for 20 minutes. Finish up these carrots. And you guys, once I get everything cut, trying to cut these carrots in half. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting up these carrots and show you what they look like after I get them all done. All right, I have the cucumbers and the carrots already cut up. And right before I start the sushi roll, I am going to cut the avocados again because I don't like for my avocados to be brown. So in the meantime, I am going to go ahead and combine this rice water with some sugar. This is the sugar right here, white sugar. I'm not gonna put all of that in there. A little bit of salt, and I'm gonna stir this, and then I'm gonna heat it up so the sugar and salt can dissolve. All right, so I'm stirring this up, and then I'm gonna transfer it into a small pot and let the sugar and salt dissolve. And this is what I'm gonna pour over the rice once it's done. All right, you guys, the rice is ready. So now I am going to transfer the rice into this bowl because I want to pour the vinegar and sugar over it and stir it up. And you just want to, as far as the vinegar and sugar to the sugar to dissolve and the salt, you just want to heat it up enough just for it to dissolve. You don't need it to boil. So now I am going to pour that over the rice, and I'm going to stir this up and let this rice cool off before I start the sushi roll. I think I'm going to speed it up some as far as cooling it off. I am going to place it in the freezer for about 5 minutes and let it cool off. Alright, you guys, I did let the rice cool off a little bit. It's still kind of hot, as you can see some of the steam is on there. But I am going to begin to prepare my sushi. Alright, you guys, now I am going to, this rice is very sticky, you guys, so you definitely need the water. That's why you saw me at the beginning of the video, I had water. You're going to need to put some of that on your hands just so the rice won't be too sticky. So just wet your hands a little bit. Like I said, this rice is still kind of hot, so I'm going to place the rice on there. Okay, so now I am going to cut the avocado. Let me sprinkle some sesame seeds on there first. And then I'm going to do my avocado. So bear with me, you guys. This is my first time doing this. Alright. So now I am going to cut my avocado. Avocado sliced, you guys. I'm going to place cucumbers on there. Put 2 of those on there, and some carrots. And you don't want to make it full either, so where you can't roll it up. You don't want it to be stuffed. Just like that. I'm going to take my butter knife and make some slices out of there. Just like that. Put like 3 across there. I love avocado. Alright, now you guys, now I am going to roll this up. So I think alright, I do need to change this. I need to wait, you guys, I messed up. Hold on, give me 1 second. I messed up. All right, you guys, I had to turn it around. I had it the wrong way. So now I am going to take this. I'm gonna roll this just like that. I'm gonna put this part over while holding my vegetables. I'm gonna take this part here and roll it over the top of the vegetables, just like that. Now we're not going to tuck this under there. We're going to press this and we're going to just roll it. Just bear with me, you guys. I'm going to get it. Don't worry. I'm going to roll it just like that. And the reason why I'm going to let you see my mistakes is because this is my first time doing this. And again, I'm not perfect. And I also have this on here so I don't have to keep cleaning that, cleaning the sushi roll. Alright. So, there you have it, you guys. That's 1 roll. See that? That's 1 roll right there. And I am now going to take this and I'm going to make sure that everything is tucked in there well. I'm going to make it 2 ways, you guys. All right, so that's 1. Then now I'm going to make another sushi roll. Alright, now I am going to make my other sushi roll. This is the one that's going to be fried. Y'all, I don't mean to sound like I'm distracted, but I am a little distracted. I was trying to finish this up before a certain time. And it seemed like I'm pressed for time, but don't worry, I got you guys. I'm going to place the cucumbers. And carrots on there. Avocado. Now with this one, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take this. We're going to hold the vegetables. And we're going to roll this over the top just like that. Let's press it just a little bit. Alright, you guys, I have that one done. And now with that one, I am going to dip it in this tempura batter. I already have the oil on, so the oil should be hot because it's been on the entire time. So now I'm going to take this. I am going to dip it in here. Alright, you guys, I did transfer the bowl so it can be bigger. I don't want this to mess up. So I am going to dip it in here, roll it around, get it nice and coated. From here, I'm going straight to the oil, you guys. Alright, you guys, I have the sushi roll in there. This only takes about 3 to 4 minutes, so this is almost ready. This is ready. I'm taking it out the oil. I'll let it cool off.